Consumer Cellular 4G not working? The most common fixes involve your APN settings and LTE toggle. First, what's an APN? It's the setting that lets your phone connect to the internet. Consumer Cellular uses specific APNs, like CC data. If incorrect, your data won't work. To check on Android, go to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network Access Point Names, and ensure CC data is correctly entered or reset it to default. Next, try toggling LTE. LTE, or long-term evolution, is the 4G standard. Switching between LTE and 3G 2G forces your phone to reconnect to the network. On Android, find this in Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Preferred Network Type. On iOS, it's under Settings, Cellular Data Options. Doing these two things will resolve most common connectivity issues. If the APN and LTE toggle don't work, try a network reset. This resets all network settings, including Wi-Fi, mobile data, and Bluetooth, to factory defaults. It clears any conflicting configurations causing the issue. You can usually find this option in Settings, System, Reset Options, Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile, and Bluetooth. Keep in mind, this will erase saved Wi-Fi passwords and require you to re-enter your APN settings. This should be used as a last resort if all other solutions fail. If the problem still persists after a network reset, contact Consumer Cellular support. Hardware faults or more complex issues may require professional intervention. Always start with the least disruptive solutions first to avoid unnecessary data loss.